Hi friends. So I have our green words today that we can practice. So let's go through them. They're getting harder and harder, but you can get them. Have, or, you, find, with. Okay, and when we say that word with, some of you have had trouble with that sound. So I want you to make sure you put your finger here. Your tongue goes between your teeth to make that sound. It's not with, it's with. Okay. Green words 2. Has, said, this, little, as. That word's strange because that's not what it sounds like, but we sometimes, when we have an S at the end of the word, like in both of these words, that S makes the sound of a Z, like a Z. Has, as. Okay, so your turn. Try to say the words. With. So one thing you can do again to practice this, pretty soon we're going to have some spelling tests that we're going to try, and so you need to practice writing your words. So mom or dad, your home teacher, anybody can give you a spelling test at home with just 5 of the words if you want to. So they can say the word find, and you have to try to sound it out and say it. And write it. I'm sorry. So spelling tests are always good to try. You can do it with any of our sight words.